guys, and welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn, and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 22. When matching foundation, apply your foundation test on the person's face and allow it to oxidize before determining if it is a match or not. Yes, makeup artists, there are particular steps that you want to take when matching foundation. Foundation matching requires a lot of patience. You want to apply the foundation test in an area that your client can see. When I'm working on customers and I'm providing my custom blend foundation service, what I like to do is give my client a mirror so they can actually see what is going on with the foundation test. So I apply it in an area where they can see, right on the cheek area. I don't like applying it over on the bottom of the mandible or on the chin area, because when the client's looking in the mirror, there's a bit of a strain to actually see what's going on. The makeup should match perfectly, where you are not concerned with blending it down into the neck. The face and the neck area should be completely perfect. The makeup should melt right into the skin where you cannot see it. Once you determine that you can't see it, that the makeup disappears, that's when you know you have a perfect match. So I apply the foundation right in the center, right on the cheek area, so when the client is holding the mirror, they can see what is going on, and they're also learning. So I'm explaining the process, and it's pretty interesting, and clients love to actually watch and learn and see how the makeup is changing, how it is oxidizing. One of the main ingredients in foundation is titanium dioxide, and that's a white mineral that actually reacts to the oxygen in the air. It also reacts to our body heat and our body chemistry. So after a little bit of time, after you put that foundation test on, the makeup will actually change color. It's oxidizing. It could go darker, it can go lighter, or hopefully it stays the same and melts into the skin, and that's when you know you have a perfect match. So I blob on the foundation. Yes, I said blob. That's an actual technical makeup artist term. No, just kidding. So we blob it on. You want to be really generous with the amount of foundation that you put on, because you need to see if it is a perfect match. Once you blob it on, you can fan it a little bit. You can actually hold a mini fan next to it to dry it a little bit. Give it about 30 seconds. Then I take my cotton swab and blend out the edges. So I'm actually fanning it out like a sun. And if the makeup is melting into the skin, if it is disappearing on contact, that's when I know I have a perfect match. Another quick tip when matching foundation is to use sunlight. When we book custom blend foundation services here at the makeup studio, I love to book those services during the day when I have a lot of sunlight. So one of the things that we do is we match the foundation in studio, but we also take our client outside under the beautiful bright sunlight. And I give my client a mirror. So they take the mirror outside with them so we can look at it to make sure that it is a perfect match. I truly believe that the best type of light to match foundation under is natural light. Now, if you don't have windows or you don't have access to take your client outside, the next best thing is artificial daylight. So you want to make sure that your light bulbs are burning at about 5,000 degrees Kelvin. That is natural light. Anywhere between 4,500 and 5,000 degrees Kelvin should be producing pure white light, which is artificial daylight. Okay, so once you perfect your test, you've got a perfect match, then you could go ahead and apply the foundation so your client can see the total look. So what you're doing is stippling it on, and then you're going to blend downward all over the face for that perfect coverage. The match is so perfect on Alyssa. I absolutely love this makeup. This is the Aloe, the Makeup Studio makeup collection, and you can order this online at MakeupClasses.com. If you would like a custom blend makeup, stop on in. Myself or one of our studio makeup artists can formulate your color and then bottle your color, and you're ready to go. Check out MakeupClasses.com. Click on the custom blend foundation page and you can read all about the custom blend services that we offer here at the Makeup Studio. It is your skin in a bottle. Well, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helps. Please drop us a line down below, like, subscribe. Do you have any experience with matching foundation? Any tricks, tips, or hacks that you'd like to share with this community? I would love to know. Remember, the more education, the better your craft. Have a great week, everybody. I'll see you next time on MakeupClasses.com.